In these examples, we're going to simplify the following expressions using our exponents rules. So for the first example, it's saying w to the 18 times w to the 13. We must remember that when the bases are the same, the w's, and we are multiplying, we're going to add the exponents. So bases are the same, and we are multiplying, we're going to add the exponents. So we're going to say on the side 18 plus 13. So a plus 3, you have 11, take 1, and that gives you 3. So then it's w 31. So when you are multiplying, you add the exponents. Okay? You could also have rewrite this like this, so you can see what you're doing. Is your choice. Now in this example, we're going to use a little bit more rules of exponents. Here we were just multiplying and we added the exponents. But here you have a division. You have a power to a power, which means an exponent raised to another exponent. And then you're also dealing with the negative exponents. Okay, so we're going to do one step at a time. The step one, I'm going to rewrite the top, the numerator. So I'm going to distribute, break this 3 to everything inside. Okay, so I'm going to say 4 to the third, x squared to the third. I didn't do nothing with the denominator, so I'm going to leave that right there. Okay, now this is 4 to the third, so I have 4 times 4 times 4, right? So 4 times 4, 16, times 4, 64. So you did 4 cubed, right? Now here, x squared raised to the third. That is the power to a power. And the rule for that is you simply multiply the exponents. So you're going to say 2 times 3. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. I have 64x. 2 times 3 gives me 6. If you want to see this, is basically you're saying x squared times x squared times x squared. Well, if you look at it, the bases are the same. You're multiplying. So what do? You add. So that gives you x6. So instead of having to do something like this, they have the shortcut of a power to a power where you simply multiply. And you end up with the same number. And I haven't done nothing with my denominator. So I have it right there. Okay? So the idea is we don't want negative exponents, right? So in order to make the exponent positive, we're going to move it to the top. And it'll become positive. So then I have 64x6, x3. Now I don't have nothing in the bottom. Okay? And now, if you see, these two right here have the same base, and they're multiplying. And when I multiply, I add the exponents. So, 64x9. Okay? Kind of run out of space for some reason. So, that's the answer for number 2. And this is the answer for number 1.